Hey, good morning, guys. It's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day. Hey, we're on our way to check out a new listing. It's a pool home with a double RV garage up in the Havasu Foothills Estates. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Right, guys, we're here at 7993 Plaza del Rio. This one was just listed for $949. This is in one of the new little neighborhoods up at the Foothills called the Villas at the Foothills. It's the very top of town. Great area, super desirable. All underground utilities and nice houses. So you do have some gated side parking. A nice paver drive. This one sits on a corner lot, just over 9,100 square feet. So they're doing tons of construction up here, lots of new homes going in. Let's go grab the key and check out the inside. Has a nice little entry. Big 8-foot steel door. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath pool home, just built in 2020, 1,960 square feet. Again, sits on a 9,100 square foot corner lot in the Villas at the Foothills. Nice tile floors and tile work. Tall ceilings, nice picture window out to the pool area, big ceiling fan, nice open living area and split floor plan. Nice big kitchen with huge island quartz counters. Stainless appliances. So this house is on propane and there's underground utilities. All right, so we're gonna go check out the first room in the front of the house here. So you have 2 beds and a guest bath over here. So you have a nice guest bath, quartz counters. Tall ceilings, nice tiled shower. So you got bedroom number 1 at the front of the house. This all has interior trowel down walls and ceilings. Standard closet sliders. No carpet in this house at all plank tile. This is bedroom number 2. No ceiling fan in this one. This one's a little different, does have a walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the master. So you have your laundry, door to the garage, and another guest bath. This is just a quarter bath, no shower tub. All right, so you have the master, has access to the backyard pool area. Has a huge walk-in closet. It's got a bunch of built-ins. All right, you have your master bath. Has his and her vanities. Tall ceilings, quartz counters. Got a nice tiled walk-in shower. Water closet with your own door. All right, so you have a big indoor laundry area. All right, so you got a big garage. You have this 2-car garage that's 35 feet deep, 10-foot door, all insulated. You have a nice little landing for all your hot water and your water softener. This house has fire life sprinkler systems. So you also have a double wide RV garage that's 50 foot deep, 14-foot doors. Looks like it's plumbed for mini split units, but there are none here installed quite yet. You have a door to the outside pool area, full hookups, looks like a 50 amp and a clean out. So you have bathroom number 4 at the rear of the garage. Nice, same setup, quartz counters. Also has a door out to the pool area, so this will be your little pool bath. All right, so you have a big patio. Nice, beautiful pool. So you have travertine coping and then pavers. This is a mini pebble-tec pool. This is actually the same exact pebble-tec color I have in my pool. We love it. Nice hot tub. Little Baja shelf with a seating area. Pretty nice setup. The yard actually goes back behind that fence. They have a buried propane tank so you can get that filled easily. Got all your pool equipment. And it is pre-plumbed for mini split units, 2 of them for the garage, so you can put air conditioning in your garage. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Plaza del Rio. Again, this one was just listed for $949. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you can always get the original listing pictures and current price, availability, and all that. I'll also put my direct contact information right below this video as well. So if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me, and I'm always here to help. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.